Hello and welcome. My name is Beatrice, and today's meditation is a short, simple meditation focusing on the breath. So just some simple breath awareness to make you feel calmer, more centered, or simply take a break from work or everyday worries. So start by settling into a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Allow your eyes to rest, maybe even close. Begin by taking a few long, slow breaths, breathing in fully and exhaling fully. If you can, breathing through the nose, allowing your breath to stay or find its natural rhythm. So take your full attention to noticing each breath. The in-breath as it enters the nostrils, travels down into the lungs to fill them completely and causes the belly to expand. And the out-breath, as the belly contracts, the air moves out, up through the lungs and out from the nostrils, or the mouth if you can breathe through the nostrils. Invite your full attention to be on the breath. Begin to notice how the inhale may be different from the exhale. Maybe you experience that difference as the air being cool as it enters the nose and warm as you exhale as the air leaves the nose. Or maybe you experience that difference as the movement of your belly as you breathe in, expanding to allow air to come in, as you breathe out, contracting back to center. As you continue to feel your breath, to be aware of your breathing in and out. Maybe if you can, start to turn a little bit deeper inward. Beginning to let go of the noises around you. But if it happens that you do get distracted by one of these noises, just simply notice and bring yourself back to the attention of the breath. Just breathing as you do, not wanting to change anything. We're not trying to control the breath in any way. We're just using the breath to observe and accept the experience, the moment, without judgment, paying attention to the inhale and exhale. And if your mind wanders and it gets lost into thoughts, plans, judgment, just watch the thought and trying to be as neutral about the thought as possible. And if you can, practice letting go and coming back to the attention of the breath. using the breath as an anchor so you can return to it over and over whenever you get distracted. And continue practicing coming home to the breath, being home with the breath, watching that gentle rise and fall of the abdomen as you breathe in and out. And allow yourself to be completely with your breath as it flows in and out. You might well become distracted by sensations in the body or anywhere else. They may draw attention away from the breath. Acknowledge anything that might come up. Simply notice the mind, know that it went somewhere. Simply notice the mind without judging, without pushing away the thought, but also without dwelling. Simply begin to refocus back to your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Follow the air all the way in and all the way out. Mindfully be present moment by moment with each breath. As the practice begins to come to an end, begin to allow your attention to expand so you can begin to notice the noises around you, your body, the room. Whenever you're ready, you can start to blink your eyes open, come back to being fully aware and awake, knowing that the breath is always with you as an anchor to bring you back to the present moment, to take you away maybe from worries. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Thank you so much for practicing with me.